If you are a content creator, you need to have the YouTube Studio app. There is so many things that you could do with this application that is insane. And if you don't have it, you're totally missing out. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. What we're going to do today is that I'm going to open it up and I'm going to tell you 5 things you could do with this app. Okay, so here we are in the Content Creator Tool app. And by the way, obviously you can see some of the information like how many subscribers you have, your analytics, the performance of your videos. You can see tons of different things. And as I talk about 5 things that you could do here, just know that there's a million more things that you could do here. Just the analytics is fantastic. But the first thing that you could do is that you could go to videos, right? And when you go to the videos, you go actually fix the description. So if you click on this video right here that I just got, and for whatever reason you kind of messed up that description, quickly you could come to your phone and fix it. So again, you could click here, you could click on this pencil right here, and as you can see, you can kind of readjust that title, or you could come here into the description and arrange that. Now, another thing that you could do with this app is that you could actually change a thumbnail. So this thumbnail right here, how to deal with haters, this one, I think it came out pretty decent. But if by any chance I actually want to change this, I could click up here and now it's going to give me some choices. You can see down here, I have the one that I uploaded, but also have other different choices here. Now, if you click in here, it's going to take you to your pictures and you're going to be able to upload a thumbnail. So if for whatever reason you don't have one, somebody email you one or text you a thumbnail, whatever, you could save it to your photos and you could put it here into your video. Now, number 3 is you're going to be able to deal with your monetization. Now, this channel is currently now monetized, so I'm going to switch to my other channel that it is. Now, in this video right here, obviously you can tell that it's monetized. You see monetization, you see the little green thing on, and it says it's on. Actually, if I click on it, it's going to give you that right there saying the video is public and this video is being monetized. Now, I'm going to come up here to the top. I'm going to click on the little pencil. It's going to bring the video up. Again, it's monetized, but if I click right here, I could kind of mess with all this monetization aspects, right? I have the ability to click overlay, ads, sponsor, card, skippable videos. I have all this already selected, but again, once again, you can make some changes to your video being monetized, even turn the monetization off. Okay, back to the Content Creator Tools channel, and I'm going to tell you my favorite thing that you could do with this app. One of my top favorite things is that you could answer comments. So obviously, as you click on one of those comments, you could have a conversation here with different people straight out of your phone, right? So I love the fact that you could kind of go into this and answer some of those comments right there. So again, that is truly very powerful. And lastly, guys, it's going to be the analytics. If you come down here, you click on analytics, it's going to show you all the videos that I have right here, my top videos in the last 28 days. It's going to give you how many views I got in the last 28 days. Going to tell you some of the watch time that we've been receiving, subscribers, and things like that. The last 48 hours, we have had 422 views. And again, this channel is doing really fantastic. I appreciate everybody that watched. It's actually doing pretty well to be a new channel. So those analytics is going to impact you because you could utilize it to make better videos. Okay, and those are 5 things that you could do on your creator app. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you in the next one.